My camera is blinking and I don't know why, but I'll try to record and see what happens. Hello, I'm back. Apparently my brother has a computer that I can edit on. My computer is dead. But yeah, oh my god, finally I'm able to record a haul. So I just got home from London and I had a great time with my boyfriend. I miss him already. I literally came back yesterday. I have been shopping, not too much, but I have been shopping. So what I want to do for this video is showing off my recent purchases plus the stuff I bought in London. Okay, so everybody, so let's go. First, I think I want to start with thrift. I got two packages, this one and this one. I'll start with the heavier package. I know what this is and I'm very excited. I mainly just thrift like Hello Kitty stuff, so I'm very sure that this is Hello Kitty related. This is from a thrift store called Finn. That's like a thrift store in Norway. Apps like Vinted. I remember there was another one, not Depop, but there was like something else. They don't ship to Norway and it's so frustrating because there's so much better stuff there. Like Norway has nothing and nothing ships to Norway. So I'm glad that I have my boyfriend in London that I can send stuff to, and Tiana. Oh my god, Tiana collects my stuff like Pokemon cards. Okay, let's go. They have filled this with like newspaper because this is like, it's fragile. I'll put this stuff together and then I'll show it to you properly. Hello Kitty lava lamp. It's so cute. Someone was just selling it and I was like, yes, I'm getting it. I don't know where to put it. I don't know if I'm even gonna put it on because I think lava lamps can be kind of scary. But I kind of want to put it by the window. Like I have a shelf with my PlayStation and my Switch, so maybe I can put it there. Does this catch on fire easily? I don't know. But yeah, I got this and I think, I'm not sure how much I bought it for. Also, sorry if I forget to put prices on stuff, but I think this was like 200 kroner, which is like less than $20. Yeah. Then I'm so excited about this one. I really don't know why they put such a big box for this because it's just a mug. These are one of those more like easier boxes to open, so you don't really need anything. It's just like everything's like folded, so that's nice. It's really nice of them though, so it doesn't break obviously. I'm gonna open it. I have tiny scissors. I was so excited about this. I posted it on my Instagram story when I purchased it, not when I received it, because obviously it's here right now. So freaking cute! So many Sanrio characters on it. I think it was like a anniversary cup, not too sure. Oh yeah, it says Sanrio Thanks Party 2018. I'm just looking at it. Oh my god. I wish Moko was on this. So yeah, we got this mug. And I think this was like, in dollars, I think it's like $12. Okay, so next package is from Gina Tricot. Gina Tricot is like a brand in Norway. I'm not sure how many countries they're in. They have like okay clothing like here and there. It's like, okay, cool, you know, not really my style. But I made a vlog on TikTok where I went out shopping with my friends and we just went past the store and I was like, oh my god, I see some pink stuff, like hello, I need that. Some of the stuff that I got is like in that vlog, so I'm not gonna show it here, but I can probably link it down below if I remember. I always say like, oh, I'm gonna link it down below and it's not there. I'm like, oh, sorry. You know, like the knitted pink set. It's like a pink knitted set with like a hoodie and some low-waist pants. I didn't get the pants, but I got the top and the hoodie to it. I'm so excited because I saw it in the store. Obviously, it's gonna be cute. Usually when I've seen it in other stores or when I've done a collab and I've gotten the clothes, it's like the color isn't accurate. Like it doesn't really look the same as it did on the pictures. I think the only sizes left in the store was like extra small, so I was like, I'm not that, I'm extra small, you know, so had to order that. Like, look at the color! Look at this, the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try everything on, but I might. If there's a loud fan sound in the background, it's my PlayStation because it's about to take off, you know. This is the jacket. And I really like this design. I've been loving it for such a long time. I've been wanting it so bad, but every time I've seen it in like you know, specific aesthetic stores. It's always been like small to large, so I never like had the chance to get my hands on them. But now there's finally one in my size and it's so exciting. I'm so happy. Okay, so that's it from that store. The top was like $35 and then the tank $2.50, 25. I'm just gonna divide it by 10. So yeah, that's what I got from Tricot. I also quickly just want to show off my phone case. I got it yesterday in the mail. I got this pink Hello Kitty hanger. I put it on this pink pom-pom being held up by Hello Kitty. Okay, so that's all the thrifts and shopping I've been doing in Norway for now. I'm tempted to show off a purse, but I've already shown off. Who cares, bitch? I'm gonna show it off anyways because I love it so much. Okay, so I got myself a little purse. Don't mind these, they will come back later. I bought this bag from Itang and it's like the cutest purse ever. I love the shape of it. Cutest purse to just walk around in, and it fits my headset, wallet, phone, charger, lip glosses, anything I want. Like, it's the perfect size. I love it so much. I'm actually thinking of getting a bigger one because they have 3 different sizes, and I'm thinking of getting a bigger one either in white or pink again. I love it so much. Every time I use it, I always attach a little charm to it. That's really nice and I just love it so much. If I remember correctly, it cost $135. It's a South Korean brand. Okay, over to stuff I bought in London. So I'm doing 2 hauls. I'm doing 2 separate hauls. I'm doing everything I got like in general from London, and then I'm doing what I got from Hyper Japan because I went to Hyper Japan and that's like my 2nd or 3rd convention, but it's my first convention not in Norway. So oh my god, I will talk more about it in that video, but I had the best time ever. A much better experience than in Norway, and I don't mean like the people, I mean like the whole convention in general. Okay, so first I want to start with TK Maxx. I love that store so much. So basically last time I was in London, got myself a chunky ring. I wear it all the time. I didn't know it was Swarovski before I bought it. Like after I bought it, I looked at the box and I was like, Swarovski? What the hell? I bought this for £50 and I think the original price was like 200, and they had the colors in pink, green, blue. I'm not sure about the last color, but I remember there was 4 colors. So the day before I traveled back home, I was like, I want the blue ring so bad. I really hope they have them. And I went to the store and they didn't have it, and I was like, oh. But then I looked like around the store. It's like a little store in the TK Maxx, so I just looked around to like see, because I saw that they had like this design in like a necklace and earrings, but I wasn't really looking for that and it wasn't in like a color I wanted. So I looked around and I saw that, and it's the green one. So pretty. It does fit my pinky. I'm like collecting the infinity stones. They're so cool. I love chunky rings so much. Oh my god. So yeah, I got this one and it was on sale twice. They originally sold one for 50, but then it was on sale to 40, and then it was on sale again to 30. So I got this for £30. I wish they had the other colors so bad, or especially the blue one, because that was the one I originally was looking for. Yeah, I got myself a ring, and that's literally all I got from TK Maxx. I was looking around for like Hello Kitty stuff, but I could only see like a beauty blender and a little like makeup pouch, which was like transparent with a lot of Hello Kitties around it. I wasn't really looking for one because I have so many now. Next we can do Primark, and yeah, I have put everything I bought in here from the convention and just in general in London, including the suitcase. I got myself a pink little suitcase. I have the bigger one, so I was like, yeah, I'm getting this one. There's one worker at Primark that's really nice to me, and she follows me on like social media, so it was so nice seeing her again, and she was the one checking me out as well. So yeah, this was the one I got from Primark. This was £40 and super cute. I even got a comment on it when I posted it to Threads, I think, my Instagram story. I post a lot on my Instagram story, barely get any views. I think it's because I spam so much, but anyways, yeah. Anyways, the second thing I bought is this one. It's a tag where you put like your information on the other side, and then this is Kuromi. I got one when I went to Primark last time I was in London and I went to Primark, I purchased one in Hello Kitty. Now they have this whole collection with Kuromi. I'm still looking for the Kuromi plushie, so I have to ask my friends to please look for it for me in London. And this Kuromi came with a passport holder as well. Both of them was for like £6, I think. I'm gonna open it because it's in the suitcase. Oh yeah, oh my god, I'm excited to show the rest of the stuff that I got from Primark. Actually, I'm just looking at everything and getting excited again. Anyways, here is the passport holder. It looks like this, and pink and blank. I'm not gonna lie, I do have like 2 other Hello Kitty passport holders, so I mainly just wanted the one to attach to the suitcase, but this was a bonus, so that's nice. Then I also got my hands on this notebook. It's a Hello Kitty and Kuromi notebook. It's sparkly. I don't know if you can see it, but it's sparkly. The back side is not sparkly, but it's really shiny, like really shiny. Just a normal notebook, and I think it's just nice to have. I'm not sure if I'm gonna start school this year or next year, but this would be cool to use for that. This was for £50. And then, oh my god, I got my hands on this like pencil kit. It's so weird, it doesn't come with a ruler, but you know, like these kits, it's like markers, the little drawing book, stickers, and then colored pencils. I just really like the case a lot. You can see the texture. So yeah, I just had to get it, you know. This was £10. Then I got this wallet. I love Miffy so much. Super cute pink wallet. I haven't looked inside yet, but yeah, it's just like a normal coin purse type thing. The back is plain. Also says Miffy on the tag. It was £5. And then I got the cutest tote bag. It's so big and so cute. It's the same on the back. Like the colors are right, everything is right. It's fantastic. I've recently been getting more into tote bags, so that's nice as well. My favorite is this one and this Hello Kitty one. Both are from Primark. And yeah, the tote bag is £3. So that's everything I got from Primark. Okay, so now I quickly want to show off some nails I got. Literally reaching into my bra because one of them fell off today. There's a nail store in Soho. It says nail store or something. I'll show it. They give me PR. Love the nails so much. This is the first pair. They look like this and they're so cute. I love them. I went with my boyfriend. We were out in Chinatown and I got 4 pairs. If you buy 3 pairs, you get 1 for free. These are the other nails. Short pair with Sanrio characters. Second pair is cinnamon roll. I'm excited to use it for like my blue outfits. Then last, I chose this pair and I want to use it for like my cherry tops because I love them so much. I'm definitely gonna do a new look with like more cherry stuff. Posted one already on my Instagram. It wasn't the original top I was planning to wear it with, and I was a bit disappointed because I wanted the look to be like perfect, but it wasn't. So I need to redo another cherry look. So yeah, that was everything I got from that nail store, and thank you so much for that. Okay, so next store is Miniso, the cutest store on earth. I got some stuff from there, so let's just start. I think this is also the last store for this video, so let's start. First, I got a cushion for my chair. I'm not sure which chair I'm gonna use this on, but I have one in my closet and one where I sew clothes, so I might put it on where I sew. Sometimes my butt be hurting, and I hope this is like better than the other cushion that's on it because it's like super thin. So yeah, next time I might get another one. It's just like a cute thing, you know. I tried to keep this as like untouched as possible because all of the boxes I wanted to get was like correct open like this, but I got this one. It's resealable bags, like small plastic bags. There's 2 sizes, a small and a larger one. The packaging, cute. I guess let's just open it and look at them. These are the smaller ones, larger ones as well. I'll take out one each. I don't know what to use with them. I feel like it would be so cool when I sell stuff to put it in those, but no, I want all of them. This is the bigger one. And this is the smaller one. So cute. So cute. The thing is that they don't put the prices on the things. They put it on the shelf things, but I don't think this was too much. I also now remember that when I was there looking for the prices, specifically for this one, there was no price tag under it, so I really don't know how much this was. Yeah, I feel like I'm not gonna know any of the prices from Miniso actually. Another storage box. This one I love this one so much. I put like some, it's a storage box. I used it for storage and I love the size of this. This is like one of the bigger boxes. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna assemble it, but it looks like this picture, and as suggested on the pictures, you can have like towels and stuff in it. Then I also got a smaller storage box. I think this looks like it's like cute and usable. This is a storage organizer. Yeah, it looks like that. And I'm not too sure what I'm gonna put in it, but I definitely know that I have some stuff that I can put in it. And this is my Melody. I rarely buy anything my Melody actually, because I mean she's cute, but then I also got 2 blind boxes. I actually got 3, but one is with my boyfriend. I took a little video of how it looks. It's Kiki. Last time I got a blind box from the same collection, I got Kiki. So I was like, oh my god, they have to be together. I really love this one collection where all of the characters are like holding their eyes like this. So I bought 2 boxes, and I was kind of hoping that I got a duplicate so I could give one to my boyfriend, but I didn't, so I kept them. I got one with Pom Pom Purin and one in Lala. So they look adorable. I also love the chain to it and the little like star thing for Lala, and then it says little twin stars on this one, and then for Pom Pom it's like a little like, I don't know if you say 4 clover, but I'm gonna say 4 clover and hope for the best, and then it says Pom Pom Purin. I love them so much. Also, I absolutely love, if you don't know, I absolutely love Pom Pom, and I also really love Lala. Or Kiki and Lala. I brought this phone case with me as well, but I didn't use it because I have this other phone case. I usually use this phone case which has the suction cups on it. I used this one for the Hyper Japan where I filmed me and my boyfriend when we first arrived, but now I put this one on because it's so cute and I love Kurla Kurma so much. I love collecting the cards as well. They look like this, and on the other side it actually shows which one you got. I also kept the card to the one I didn't bring. It's Lala, and the collection is called Rabbits. Rabbit? So yeah, the next and last thing I got from Miniso is a floor mat. This is like fluffy. I love this collection so much. Tiana gave me a gift and she even added the bag for that from that collection. And I also have this mug. I think I showed it in another haul that isn't posted yet because I'm having a little bit of issues with it. But yeah, I'm so happy that I got it, and I kind of wanted it since forever, so I'm very happy that I got it this time. And it's not too expensive either. It was like £6 or £7 I think. So yeah, I just love it so much. So yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to quickly show off this dress as well. I actually got it from the last time I was in London. It's from a mutual on Instagram. It's mesh, so it's super see-through. So I definitely need to put on something under to wear it. Yeah, I kind of want to wear it tomorrow. Oh my god. I'm meeting Lynn and Athena. So yeah, I love shopping so much. Definitely gonna make a lot of hauls coming up, and again I really want to make like a PR haul as well, like just stuff I get from stores and whatever that is like more on the exciting side. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know your favorites. Also let me know what more you want to see. I'm very limited right now sadly because my phone it's the only type of media that I have. I don't have an iPad, I don't have a computer, so hopefully I can get my hands on a new phone so I can edit on one thing and then actually post and have more proper stuff on the other. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna try to be more consistent here. I love posting to YouTube, so I just need to put my brain properly into it. Hopefully we will get somewhere with this channel. Yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Bye.